what I'm going to buy. This is a self-adhesive film. Yeah, it's a wallpaper. And it is now almost 1 o'clock. I am back home. So basically, this one, I'm going to cover it with this wallpaper. But I need to cook rice first and have my rice meal. Okay, the rice is cooking now, and later on I'm going to cook the bulgogi. Yeah, if you remember, I bought 2 bottles of bulgogi in Costco. Yeah, and now I'm going to continue my laundry. Okay, now both the dryer and the washer are working. I'm doing everything all together at the same time because I'm excited. I want to finish it all. Okay. Yeah. Amazing, it looks like it feels like a real wood. But you notice there is this a little gap. It's alright. It's not noticeable. Okay, I'm very happy with this. Yeah, I'm really hungry now. I know this bulgogi sauce already has a lot of flavorings and seasonings ingredients. Yeah, so I'm just going to saute this without anything and add this. Finally, I'll be able to eat. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I just finished editing the last of my road trip, and it is now 12:35. I encountered again another problem. Yeah, I accidentally deleted the vlog where me, Inigo, Earl, and his girlfriend went to Costco to buy things. Yeah, I accidentally deleted it. So I'm trying to recover using this app, this drill, but yeah, it is not showing. Because with SD card, you know, the files that I lost before, yeah, I was able to recover some of those. Yeah, but this one, I don't know how I'm going to recover it. Hey, we are going out. I'm making a coffee. And we are now here in Kmart, Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, I was about to go out and then I realized that the window is open. This side, also that side. But you know, to be able to close it, I need to switch on the engine. Yeah, I don't know if there is a way to make it automatic, like I can close it with the remote, you know, something like that. I'm getting one of these. This is beef Sicily steak, $10.87, 435 grams. Yeah, this is here in Aldi. This is the only thing that I'm going to buy. Oh, also this this my favorite bread. Yeah, chocolate chip slice, brioche loaf. I've been to Kmart already. Yeah, and you notice that they have a small pouch. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, what I'm putting in this pouch is my battery. Battery of the GoPro. And wallet, of course. I already eat 2 pieces of this. And look at this. I bought it from Kmart. This is $5. Yeah, just to have something like a decoration. I am thinking of buying a petrol now. I still have 3 bars, but the range is just 98 kilometers. And we are in line for the petrol. You know this car? Yeah, that is a Volkswagen Golf. That I was considering that before when I don't have a car yet. Yeah, I need to wait for that lady to come back. This is how it is. You do the self-service when buying a petrol, and then you go into the shop and pay there. Yeah, I almost forgot. I actually recording every stuff that I do. The time now is 5:43 and 92 kilometers, 76 kilometers. Then I go down. Oh, the key. I forgot I need to open this first. Then close it. Oh, there is someone waiting at the back. I feel the need to hurry up, and because of that I didn't able to write the details, but I took a picture, so it's okay. I'm going to write it when I stop later at the park. Yeah, the time now is 5:49 and the sunset this time is around 7 o'clock. Oh, not here. We parked downstairs. And we are now here in the Albura Marina. So the gas that I put, it cost me $51.16. That was 26.14 liters. Yeah. And it is now 6 o'clock. And they just repaired this. It looks more beautiful, but I don't know. Yeah, they just fixed it to be like that. The sky has been covered by clouds since morning. Yeah, that's actually the first thing that I check when I wake up, to see the sky if it is blue. Yeah, and when I see it, it's covered with clouds like this. Yeah, the whole day was like this. There are 2 guys there. They are fishing. It's a little bit cold. Would it take forever tonight? And it's love in this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. I keep on eating this. Yeah, now this is only half already. Yeah, this is delicious. Even the plain brioche, I like that. Yeah, I'm preparing my lunch. I already have rice here, and I'm just going to fry it. But I want it this is small. One more. Oh, one is enough because I don't have much rice.